I just get the two tabs. You can see the loans and the interest backend. Interest backend is the tab where the interest will calculation in the backend. So this tab will hide, and this tab only used to calculate the interest. So I just created this model to examine the calculation, and I just need your approval that it is working fine. So first I just take Acre Superfund to calculate their interest. So first the model I use here by the help from your Excel. So here's the date, the each date, and you can see that their fund start on the uh, uh, 2nd of the March. They bought their first amount loan. So here you can see they have lots of amount, and the first one we can see the March 2 and this amount. You can see this amount on the 2nd of March, and you can see the 3rd March, 4th March, 5th March, the same amount. And look at the second amount they bought on June 3rd, $18,500. So you can see. Uh, so move to the date, 3rd of June. Go to the 3rd of June. 3rd of June. Yeah, here's the 3rd of June. You can see the 3rd of June they added the $18,000 with the $1,25,000. So this way, every new loan is adding with the existing loan. You can see here the amount is rising because 25th of July they take another loan. You can see 25th of July they took $2,200. So this is how the balance loan is calculating. Now the next step is interest. So their interest rate is 15%. So each day interest is calculating on based on the total amount they bought. So you can see that 15% over $1,25,000 is $51.37. So once the amount increasing, the interest also increasing. The next challenging part is the reinvestment, which here we call movement. So you you just mentioned before that sometime some entity invest their interest amount. So the last previous month's interest amount. So here we can see uh, if the entity want to invest their May interest amount, so you just need to place a date here, the 1st of May. I just put the date, and the formula will calculate the full month interest. So I just put the date on the 1st of May. That means 1st of June, sorry. I just put the date on the 1st of June. The date I placed here is the month of May, because here suppose we just example that this entity want to add their month of May's interest. So just if we see how much amount the month of May total amount of interest, if we sum the total, then you can see the amount is $1,592.47. So I just put the date here, just May. Just look, if I delete the date, then movement will automatically stop. And I just want to add the total interest of month of May. So just put the first date of May and the on the date of 1st June, and you can see the total interest of month of May is added here, and this amount also added with the total. You can see the total amount also increased because the reinvestment, I mean the movement will add with the balance. So here and then we'll sum the loan balance and the interest due based on the date selection. So I just put here one entity as a sample of the model. So like you want to another example, uh, the last 1st of August, we just want to add the total interest of the July. So I just need to add the July 1st of July date or any of the date and on the 1st of the August. And what will the formula do? Uh, think something error happened is not let's see what happened. Okay, I will check this error. No worries, it's not temporary. I'll fix it. But the system is it will calculate the total amount based on the date. I hope you can understand. Just ask me if you do have any question, and also you can try the system yourself. Thanks.